If you invest your first $100 the wrong way in 2026, you won't just lose money, you'll lose your nerve. I've seen it 1,000 times. Beginners fail in the first 10 minutes, not because they're bad at math, but because they start with chaos. Most people treat $100 like a lottery ticket. I'm going to show you how to treat it like a seed for a forest. Now imagine this. You finally decide to start investing. You open your phone, and instantly everything hits you at once. Crypto is going up. Stocks are trending. Forex is changing lives. Someone is showing real estate profits. And now your brain is overloaded. Here's what happens next. You either freeze, or you rush. And both lead to the same result. Losses, confusion, and eventually quitting. Not because investing doesn't work, but because your entry point was chaos. And here is something most people never understand. The first $100 you invest is not about making money. It is about building your financial mindset. Because if you lose it the wrong way, something dangerous happens. You start believing investing is risky. You start doubting yourself. And that belief can stay with you for years. Let me show you something I call the invisible gap. This is the gap between people who build wealth and people who stay stuck. And it has nothing to do with intelligence. It has nothing to do with income. It comes down to one thing: structure versus emotion. Most beginners invest emotionally. Professionals invest structurally. And today I'm going to give you the structure. But before we touch any money, you need to understand 3 rules. And if you ignore these, nothing else will work. Rule number 1. No hype. If something is trending everywhere, you are not early, you are exit liquidity. That means someone else is selling while you are buying. Rule number 2. No guessing. You are not here to find hidden gems or predict the future. You are here to follow a system that already works. Rule number 3. Consistency beats intelligence. A disciplined average investor will beat a smart and consistent one every single time. Because wealth is not built in moments. It is built in repetition. Now let's get practical. If I had $100 today, this is exactly what I would do. Simple system. No confusion, no emotion. I would take $70 and put it into index funds. Now listen carefully. An index fund is not one company. It is a collection of hundreds of companies combined together. So instead of betting on one outcome, you bet on the entire economy. Think about that. You are not trying to pick winners. You are owning pieces of the world's biggest businesses at the same time. And here is why this is powerful. Even if a few companies fail, the rest keep the system growing. You are never relying on one outcome. You are relying on time. Now here is where beginners usually make a mistake. They try to outsmart this step. They start watching charts. They start checking news daily. They start panicking over small changes. But index investing is not emotional. It is mechanical. You put it in, and let time work. Now let me show you how to actually execute it. You open a trusted investment app. You verify your account. You deposit your $70. You search for a broad market index fund. And you invest. Then you do something most people cannot do. You stop touching it. Because inactivity is part of the strategy. Now the next $20 goes into strong individual companies. But not random stocks. Not hype stocks. Strong global businesses. Companies people already use every single day. Your phone. Your apps. Your bank. Your daily tools. These are real businesses with real revenue. But here is the mistake beginners make. They think more is better. So they buy 10, 15, even 20 stocks. And they end up confused. But investing is not about complexity. It is about clarity. 2 or 3 strong companies is enough. Now pay attention to this. Prices will go up and down. That is normal. But beginners panic. And panic destroys wealth faster than anything else. Because they confuse movement with loss. But movement is not loss. It is volatility. And volatility is normal. Now the final $10 goes into crypto. But I need to be very clear here. This is optional. And this is high risk. Crypto can grow fast, but it can also fall fast. So you never treat it as your foundation. You treat it as exposure to the future. Nothing more. Now let's zoom out. Because this is where everything becomes clear. It is not about index funds. It is not about stocks. It is not about crypto. The real secret is consistency. Because consistency does four things. It builds discipline. It removes emotion. It activates compounding. And it turns small actions into large results over time. And here is something powerful. If you invest just $100 once, nothing changes. But if you repeat a system like this every month, you are no longer trying to invest. You are building wealth automatically. Now let's talk about the 4 biggest wealth killers. Because most beginners don't fail in investing. They fail in behavior. The first killer is waiting. People wait for more money. They wait for more knowledge. They wait for the perfect time. But the perfect time never comes. The second killer is hype. If everyone is talking about it, the opportunity is usually already gone. The third killer is ego. Trying to outsmart the system. Trying to do more than necessary. Trying to prove you are different. But wealth rewards discipline, not ego. The fourth killer is panic. Markets will drop. That is guaranteed. But panic is optional. And panic is what destroys accounts. So let's bring it together. If I had $100 today, I would do this. $70 into index funds for stability. $20 into strong companies for growth. $10 into crypto for optional exposure. Simple. Balanced. Repeatable. You do not need thousands of dollars to start. You do not need perfect timing. And you do not need to be an expert. You just need a system, and the discipline to follow it. Start small. Stay consistent. And let time do the work. Because that is how real wealth is built.